Today I'm going to be trying the gluten-free pizza.
Okay, so we're on our way to check out this place called Pico Pizza. It's one of our go-to spots. It's very good because Jaden has a lot of food allergy, and as we know that fast food places don't really cater for people with allergies. So like you can't go to like Burger King, McDonald's and just go grab something fun, or so it's good that there are pizza places around that supply like gluten-free, dairy-free. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, and we're taking you along with us, and we're gonna do the review, and Jaden is gonna be enjoying pizza today.
So I'm really excited because this is my day. It's my day to get pizza. And you know what's the cool thing about this? Because I had this before and it tastes really good. And if you guys want to know how it tastes, then comment below, and then I'll answer your questions in my channel. But you won't be seeing that one, so get ready. But we're just going right now. If you could see the car, you could look behind us. As you can welcome to Pico Pizza.
Yeah, so the basil, you want onion juice? No red onion? So you said no six. What about, okay, some tomato, please? What else, Jaden? Oh, garlic. Roasted garlic. What else do you want on it? Do you want any chicken or no?
No, thanks.
Anything else from here? No? Okay. Okay.
Yep, so we're waiting on our pizza. Just went into the oven, you know, as you can see, one of those old school oven. It's like a gourmet type pizza. They have like tons of topping, like at least 30, 35 different toppings. You know, it's yeah, like gourmet pizza, a bit more expensive, but you know, it's worth every dollar. And as I said, like it's good that they cater for, you know, people with allergies. So like, you know, Jaden has gluten-free gluten allergy, so it's good that he can enjoy, you know, a gluten-free, dairy-free pizza that is delicious. Are you excited
Yep.
for your pizza? Let's see. Oh wow, look at that.
And it's gluten free, it's even better.
Yay! Gourmet pizza. Ready to bite in there? Not yet, not yet.
No. No.
Let me help.
That's okay if it's red.
Wow, it's hot. Like it? Hot, take your time. Very hot. Take your time. What's your pizza, bro? Oh, you need, oh, it's too hot? Yeah, it's very hot. Yeah, take your time. You guys might have to make it cool up a bit. Maria, how's your pizza? Good? Jaden, where did all your pizza go? Look at that.
No, we're just inside my tummy.
You had eat all that pizza by yourself? How is it? It's good?
Wait.
Great? Jaden.
Definitely better to pick it up in person.
You are watching this video and you have a child with gluten and dairy allergy, and you need some ideas of fun meals for your child, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. You can follow our journey. Jaden have been uh, allergic to gluten, dairy, and a lot more stuff since he's been born for the past 7 years. So we're on this journey trying to discover like new ideas, fun type of food for kids who are dealing with gluten allergy, because it's very difficult when a child is dealing with allergies such as gluten free and gluten and dairy allergies. So please feel free to just subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. If you need ideas, like, you know, I will get back to you with some fun ideas of fun stuff that uh, a child would love to eat. So just subscribe and follow us, and we'll go on this gluten-free, dairy-free journey together. Thank you very much.